Things I've learned in my free Korean culture class. The reason kung bakit hindi talamak ang kuhanan ng gamit sa Korea is because meron silang belief na kapag kinuha mo yung gamit na hindi sa'yo, you are getting that owner's soul. Bata pa lang sila, nire-remind na sila lagi na huwag kukuha ng gamit ng ibang tao kasi kinukuha nila yung soul nung may-ari. Korean culture is really big in meanings and belief, and yun yung nagsishape ng culture nila, which led me to the next learning na nung panahon ng Joseon Dynasty, people in lower class can't use the dragon as their symbol since it's only meant for king. So, grinab nila yung image ng koi fish. Since yung skill ng koi fish is nakita nila na similar sa skill ng dragon, yun yung ginawa nilang symbol for them. Kaya meron silang painting koi fish yung design. Third is, the reason kung bakit nagbibigay ng free Korean culture and language classes ang Korean government is because gusto nilang ipakita sa ibang country na having that preserved rich culture is sobrang helpful sa economy, which is true naman dahil lahat tayo na mga fans ng K-drama, K-pop, love their culture, and also we love how they break the social norms na hindi na helpful sa kanila. If you wanted to take these classes also, free lang siya sa Korean Cultural Center. Open na yung registration nila until August 23. So, take your chance lang kasi ako, nag-take lang din ako ng chance. You can check their IG or comment down below sa video na to if you have any questions para in terms na hindi kayo makuha this term 3, may next terms pa for next year. So, yun lang. 감사합니다.